So on the 16th of February, all stipendiary clergy will be getting a form to fill in, which seeks to help us to assess the well-being of all our stipendiary clergy across the Church in Wales. It's being managed by an external organisation, so it will be anonymous and you can fill it in without fearing that anybody will find out what you've said. We want you to be honest and open about who you are, and how you're finding working and ministering in the Church in Wales, so that we can get a good feel for the level of clergy wellbeing that there is in our church. Please do fill it in.